Welcome to issue 5 of 3D, build your own 3D printer. There's no cardboard, I don't think. Okay, so let's open her up. Well, that's what I've been building so far. Take a look at the magazine. Oh, there's a bit of cardboard. Don't need that. Okay. This is $6.99. Issue 5. 3D printer parts, bearing, base and timing belt. 3D modelling. Fashion grown. New wings. Web access code. Some modelling stuff. The search is on for fabrics that can be worn comfortably every day. Learning lines, so things that you can going straight, so you can SketchUp provides tools that you allow to create most standard shapes that you need in 3D design. This is for the dice. Make it cutting corners. Like for making dice. Exploring SketchUp wall house. More you can if you want to join up. Breathing life into your models. You have to start painting them. I suppose I like paint, not just for nails. Nail polish comes in an astounding range of colours, is inexpensive and adhere well as PLA and ABS. This is the bits on timing belt, Eclipse, imagine that, bolts, assembling bit, noughts and crosses, you can build, more chest sets, got a clip, tools for post-processing, the 3D design challenge win and a little challenge thing. Some tools you probably need. Okay, so that's next issue. It gets a little bit more complicated by the looks of it. Let's see. loose the bearings. Bearing fixed base. The timing belt. Two screws. Clip. Okay. Take the two bearings, so take the two bearings and note that each, so make sure that's the right way around, take the two bearings and note that each one has a wide belt retaining clip on one of the sides. Side of the bearing is the spindle, bearing face, so that belt retains lip on the bottom. A. So that goes on. Okay, so don't go all the way down, so that goes like that, and then that goes like that, and then I've got this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 6 bits. So this bit, take the clip, and grip it with knives. It's going to be a bit difficult. There's clips on here.